Hi, I'm Bryan Boccard, the senior gardener here at the Kauffman Memorial Garden in Kansas City, Missouri. Some of you may be familiar with a popular facial toner, Thayer's witch hazel, but do you know what a witch hazel is? Witch hazels are an interesting group of plants because they bloom when few other plants are in flower. We have two native species here in the United States, Hamamelis virginiana and Hamamelis vernalis. Hamamelis virginiana starts blooming in October and can bloom all the way into December, so it's an important late season source of nectar for many pollinators, including late migrating monarch butterflies. It also happens to be the species used in many witch hazel toners. They make their toners using extracts from the leaves, bark, and stems of the plant. Hamamelis vernalis, our other native witch hazel, is interesting because it can only be found growing in the wild in the Ozarks region, like here in southern Missouri. It blooms in early spring like the two Asian species of witch hazel and has a reddish-orange cast to its petals. While we do not have either of the native species here at the Kauffman Garden, you can find them growing out at Powell Gardens. Here we have hybrid witch hazels, Hamamelis x intermedia. It's a cross between Japanese witch hazel, Hamamelis japonica, and Chinese witch hazel, Hamamelis mollis. They're one of the first plants to bloom in late winter, early spring, and on warm sunny days they unfurl their petals and they're open for pollinator business. But then at night or when it gets cold, those petals curl back up to protect them from freezing. The witch hazel you see beside me is the cultivar Diane, and she's distinguished by the reddish cast to her flowers. Witch hazels naturally grow as understory shrubs, so in the garden it's good to place them where they can get some dappled afternoon shade to prevent the foliage from burning, but they can do well in full sun if you give them ample moisture. We hope to do more videos like this while we're temporarily closed to the public, so please share and like if you liked what you saw, and comment below with questions or ideas for future videos.